Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from WebTech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate JP Morgan's debit card online. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the search box and type in Activate JP Morgan debit card. Now from the search results, go ahead and click on this first link that says Activate debit card jpmorganchase.com. Once you end up in this official site, go to the right hand side of the screen. Enter your username and password for your JP Morgan account. If you don't remember your credentials, you can get help by clicking Forgot username/password and following the prompts. Finally, click on Sign In, and once you're signed into your account, look for the Activate option and click on it and follow the activation process for your debit card. So that was how you can easily activate your debit card for JP Morgan. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.